Hello, Unit 0. Learning vocabulary, tips, and techniques. Guess meaning from context. Some ICT terms are difficult, but others are universally accepted. You probably know terms like modern, online, chat, email, website, virus, and hackers. They are part of our everyday life. When you meet an unknown word, first try to guess the meaning from the context, the surrounding words, and the situation. Read the text on the right and see how words have meaning in relation to other words. You know that PC is a type of computer and digital music relates to music on computers. You can guess that art that digitalizing is a verb because it derives from digit. It is the form of the present continuous and it goes with the subject, families, and the object, home movies. Words change their shape by adding prefixes and suffixes. For example, we add the prefix inter to net and form internet, and we add the suffix h to store and form storage. Parbit, organizing vocabulary. Read the text again and you can organize the words in your notebook in different ways. How? An example. Meaning, how? Definition, lexical family, synonymous, and translation. Definition: the Internet is a global network of computers. Lexical family: digit, proof, digital, digitally, digitizer, digitalizer, and digitalizer. Synonyms: handle, manage, avant is the same as rival. Translation: storage, almacenamiento, world class, and be, ayet, etc. etc. Communication, communicate. Word, prefaces. Internet and research. Words building, physics, information, investment, powerful, compounds, checkbook, checking, book. Collocations, words, partners, phrases, access information, handle tasks. Word trees and spider programs can help you build your own mental maps of vocabulary areas. You can make diagrams to classify things. For example, RAM memory, processor, PC, peripheral, peripheral, input device, for example, a mouse, output device, for example, printer, and a storage device, for example, hard disk. Part C. Using dictionary, a monolingual dictionary gives you a lot information about words. Look in the try. Pronunciation is laptop. Example sentences is a laptop will be a tool really was useful for when I working on the train. World class is a noun. Grammar future seat definition a laptop computer a computer which is smart enough to be carried on easily and designed to use outside an office. Use bilingual dictionary if you find an easier you may like to look at some Cambridge dictionary on this page. For ICT, you can also Use online computers dictionary. Look the words in the box. Are they nouns, verbs, and adjectives? Financial, internet, electronic, print, design, and microchip. Read the opposite and complete the test with words from exercise 1 and use the context to help you. A digital era. Computers have changed the way do everyday things such as working, shopping, and looking for information. We design houses with the help of PCs. We buy books or make flights reservation on the internet. You use gadgets that spring to life to instant they are switched. Of the example, the mobile phone, the music player, of the car ignition. All of which use microchips. Many people now work at home and they communicate with their offices by computers and telephone. This is called teleworking, which the proper hardware and software and PCs can do almost anything you can. It's a magic typewriter that allows you to type and print any sort of document. It's calculation machine that makes financial calculations. It's a filing cabinet that manages large collections of data. It's a personal communicator that lets you interact with your friends. It's a, it is a small lab that helps you edit photos and movies, and you like electronic entertainment. You can also use to relax with games. Point 3. Match the words in exercise with the following definition. Tiny pieces of silicon containing complex and electronic circuits to make order plans do something relating to money or how money is managed. 0.4. Organize these words in its big opposite. Definition. Teleworking is a working at home while communicating with your office by computer telephone. Lexical familia. Calculator, calculations, calculating. Synonyms. Gadget is a smart device. Translation. Switch on is like communicator. Wordboarding. Prefaces is interact. Suffices is communicator. Compounds. Typewriter and mobile phone. Collocations. Work partners bring a document and make calculations. 0.5. Look at this dictionary and try and put these labels in the correct place. The, the grammar is like this data. The word class is a noun. The pronunciation is known. Future. The definition and example sentences is the data is information, specialty facts, or numbers collected for examination and any consideration and used to help decisions making or information in electronic form that can be stored and processed by computers. The data are collected by various research. Now the data is being transferred from magnetic tape and hard disks. Thank you. That was the Unit 0.